Kaguya Otsutsuki. This is the mother of the Sage of the Six Paths?
These two are Hagoromo and Hamura. No. Indra and Asura.
No, Mother. They're Naruto and Sasuke, the two vessels of reincarnation.
Black Zetsu.
He's changed somehow.
Finally. Now Mother has been resurrected. I can return to her side.
Just... who are you?
A child of my mother, Kaguya.
What are you talking about?
You probably don't know this, but my mother was sealed by the hands of the Sage of the Six Paths, Hagoromo, and his younger brother, Hamura. Just before she was sealed, I was born from the very last ounce of her power. Born with a mission to revive her.
Why would Great-Grandpa do that? I thought he sealed the Ten Tails!
Looks like you don't quite understand what the Ten Tails really is. That thing isn't really the Divine Tree. It's my mother herself.
What?
Not even Hagoromo knows this. He didn't even know that I've been working to revive her this entire time.
The Ten Tails was Kaguya. If that's the truth, then that means you must have gotten close to Madara and used him all for the sake of unsealing and reviving her.
That's right. I made him think that he created me, then worked as his shadow to enact the infinite Tsukuyomi. Since the infinite Tsukuyomi is capable of gathering so much chakra, it was the sole way of reviving her. Of course, Madara wasn't the only one I used. I used everything I could get my hands on. I fed the fire of Indra's jealousy toward Asura through his descendants. I even controlled the Uchiha clan as it suited me.
People, wills, traditions, history. You really did use all of that?
Remember, it's the whole reason I was born. While my mother was gone, I wrote down everything and created history. In other words, the path that you all walked, the story of the shinobi, was merely a story that I created in order to resurrect my mother. Naruto, it doesn't matter how hard you glare at me. Right, Mother? Oh, that's right. You've been sealed for so long. Did you remember the faces of your children? They're your enemies, though. The ones who stole your chakra.
Yes. That's right. I hate them.
Here she comes. This is insane!
Yeah.
Hagoromo, Hamura, you belong to me. It's time to gather up all my chakra and unify it once more.
Naruto, you know what to do?
Yeah. We can just seal her again!
Let's do it!
Sweat just keeps pouring out of me! This chakra is crazy!
It's on a whole different level from
That's it. Run away, like cowards you are.
Range of contacts is insane! Later!
Naruto, you realize right?
I'll do it!
I'll put you to rest now.
Fly. This is my realm. There's nothing you can do.
Yes! That's it!
Whoa! Don't tell me you actually think you're pushing me back. Still has yet to use even half.
Too slow! I have an idea! Leave it to me! Okay, guys, here I go!
You two, I'll leave the rest.
Too slow! Okay, guys, here I go! Let's go! Reverse Harajutsu! Yeah! Perfect!
I'll leave the rest to you.
Not yet!
Change the space around it at will.
Mother's power is on a completely different level than yours.
Let me hit you!
Too slow. Too slow. Too slow. Die. This ship dispose of you. Too slow.
Can't even think about sealing her yet. Finding an opening alone is gonna be a battle.
There has to be a way, and when it comes, we can't miss it.
Too slow.
You won't get away.
Too slow.
Let me
I'll leave the rest to you.
Useless.
Let me fight.
Too slow.
Let me hit you! Think with me, Kurama! Tail Beast Planetary RYZEN Shoot again! Is it getting slower?
Now, Naruto!
Now!
Obito, you're awake.
Kakashi, I'm not dead.
Let me give you a quick rundown.
This is our chance, Mother.
Oh, so that's what happened. But how are we going to stop Kaguya?
Sasuke and I will figure... He disappeared.
Something must have happened to the host that made it impossible to retain the clones.
I can't move. Damn it!
You're not allowed to touch them.
Him.
Obito!
They just keep coming out.
Everyone.
Amaterasu!
Escaping will take some time. I need to keep her busy until then.
I can't let you go out there alone. Let me help.
I'll help too. I can spare a little chakra.
Mother, if we don't stop them, they're going to keep annoying us. Let's take them out first.
I need to withstand this until Naruto and Sasuke can escape the ice. That's all I can do right now. This will be my final repentance. Kakashi, Sakura, back me up.
What could you possibly do? Nothing. One who lost all those who were precious to him, who never made his dream come true. You're a failure. You have no right to stand in front of God. You don't belong here.
You're right. I've done nothing but fail over and over again. I'm guilty of a multitude of mistakes. But throughout my failure-filled life, I was still able to find something so small that you could never see it. But to me, it's something I want to protect. Even if I die.
You sure talk about garbage. Don't you realize that you're about to be crushed?
Even the broken clock is right twice a day. You won't get besides. You're supporting me now. I won't get crushed that easily. Naruto, I owe you. Despite who I was, you still gave me back my life. Sasuke, but there remains the darkness. If possible, I wish I could give you another chance. That's why I don't want to see you die here.
Good luck!
Here I come! Take it from here, will ya? Ready to rock.
Fire style, combat! Fire style, combat!
Think of me as a wall. Take it from here, will ya?
Distance.
Think of me as a wall, will ya?
This should display.
Fire style, combat!
Think of me as a wall. Take it from here, will ya?
You won't get it.
They got past.
Thanks, Obito! We'll take it from here!
How can dying maggots be this persistent? Mother, let's just kill them right there.
Yes. The gravity here is super strong. My body feels so heavy.
But it looks like she's used up a lot of chakra as well.
Are you all right, Mother? Let's hurry up and finish this, then leave this dimension.
I no longer have the power.
To defeat her.
Which means the only thing I can do now.
I must protect Naruto and Sasuke, even if it kills me. I must protect them! Obito, you...
Kakashi, just stay here for now.
Him.
Why?
Look at your face. Now I get to be all alone with Rin. You'd only ruin things, Kakashi.
Obito.
You really taught me a lot. And you probably still have a lot of suffering left waiting for you. But just make sure you stick to your ninja way, all the way to the end. Stay strong, and don't break your word. Is that how it went? Yes, that's it. Naruto, I just know you'll become the Hokage.
Yeah.
And Kakashi,
Obito!
you'd... better not come and join me for a while. Survive until the very end. What? Come on, Kakashi. Don't give me that face. Don't make a face like that for trash like this. What's this feeling? It feels like it's bubbling up from inside me. Oh, that's it. I'm happy. At the very end, I got to stand right next to my friend. I get it. That's why I'm smiling. You don't need to be merciful towards someone who's this guilty, Kakashi. I just want you to send me off. Thank you. For everything.
Let's go.
Why are you getting so desperate? The only thing you can change is the order that you die in. You're all such fools!
Don't laugh at my friend!
The Sharingan? But how? Your eye was stolen!
This is the power that Obito left to me at the very end.
That little worm. He kept screwing with my plans right to the very end. But it's fine, Mother. They're all just...
Mine. That power is mine.
Mother?
My power.
Calm down, Mother! Oh no, she really must have used up too much power. She's starting to lose her mind.
Who said you could use that? I will not permit any more foolish actions committed with my chakra!